Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. I'm here with Eric, Mr. B.
How you doing?
This is Classic Drive TV Studios and Workshop. We are currently working on a 1955 Pro Street Chevy. We got the motor back from the dyno. The reason I'm showing you this on my channel is I'm actually going to be building a replica of this car. He asked me to, and I found a 1/24 scale that I'm going to be turning into an exact replica, or as close as I possibly can anyways, to this car. This car was built probably in the 80s, hence the Pro Street. But it's really in great shape. They just got the motor back, as I said, from the dyno and getting rebuilt. Things pushing what, Eric?
650.
650 for horsepower and 675 for torque?
Yeah, right about that.
Yeah, 675 for torque. They painted the firewall. We took the paper off the car today, and it's looking pretty good. We were going to put the clutch assembly in, pressure plate, everything else. However, we ran into a problem, and the drain plug is hitting the scatter shield. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but so we're going to have to stop, and it's a Saturday, it's sunny out, we're going to go do something else that's probably a little bit more fun. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys. Make sure you head over to the Classic Drive TV channel, check them out, sub. They got some really cool stuff coming up, like Peking to Paris, the Orange Drag Strip reunion, and there's just a lot of great content over there. Just tell them I sent you, and I will catch you on the next one.
All right.